In today's video, we are going to modify our action camera so that different kind of DSLR lenses, C-mount lenses can be attached to this action camera. Most of the action cameras are having fixed lens, so we will modify its lens module so that we can attach different DSLR lenses. And this action camera is not having external microphone support, so we will hack its microphone system and we will use 3.5 mm jack so that any external microphone having 3.5 mm pin can be used with this action camera. Currently I am recording with the help of external wireless microphone. You can get the audio quality of this. So I am almost at a distance of 10 to 15 feet from the action camera, and this is 5 to 50 mm lens with the aperture of 1.6. So this is very tight shot. You can see the bokeh effect behind me, and I have mounted this camera on the gimbal, Hohem gimbal, and my face tracking is kept on, so that even if I move from one place to another place, it will automatically track my face and always will keep my face into the center of frame. So this is a feature of HOHEM gimbal. So I will make a review of this HOHEM gimbal in upcoming videos. So this is the quality of modified action camera. You can mount any DSLR lens, you can mount C-mount lenses also. So this is my complete setup. This is all in today's video. We will meet in upcoming next video. Bye bye.